What's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C, and as y'all can see, I look crazy as heck. What's my face? But let's get straight into the video. Y'all see the title, and my hair is damp right now, so I need to work with it while it's damp. So these front ones that you guys are looking at, I actually took this one out on the side, so it's completely trying to come out, and it's very thin. And this one right here, I took out halfway, well, mostly all the way. It's already coming out, and I just wanted to coil the ends because I want that curly look. And I just discovered I don't got to restart completely. When they get to the length I want, I could just comb out the ends and coil the ends. So that's what I'm going to do, but that's how it looks. That's my natural hair. That's my natural hair after it's washed. So I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. We're going to go in with the hydration from my hair lady. Because, girl, my crap be feeling good after I do this. Be feeling real hydrated. And it's green, guys. Look. Jersey. Yes, yes, yes. You see that? Looks so much better. That's my locks hydrated. Hydrated. See the difference? That ain't all water. That's hydration. Look at it. And y'all have been really obsessed with, well, not obsessed, but really into my locks. So this slowly turned into a lock extension channel. But let's start cutting. So my hair parts right here, the zigzag is a zigzag part, the way my hair parts in half. So I'm gonna go about it like that. And if I fuck myself over, fuck it. I want it right here, but I'm not gonna go that high. Okay, that's not gonna work. I wanna ride it, baby. I wanna ride. I wanna ride. I wanna ride. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna keep cutting it to the length I won't. Y'all, this hair is expensive. So don't be looking like, girl, they lock expensive. Girl, this shit is expensive. I wanna ride, I wanna ride, I wanna ride. I'm looking at y'all. I'm not even looking at the goddamn actual hair. I want that natural look. I don't want them all the same look. At this moment, she knew she fucked up. It looks too the same length. I don't like that. I wanna ride it, baby. I cannot believe I just did that shit. What the fuck is wrong with me? Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my gosh. Why did I just cut this fucking hair? What the fuck is wrong with me? What the fuck? Oh my fucking gosh. What the fuck are you doing? Being stupid as fuck. What the fuck? See, that looks more natural the way I cut this up. This is not the proper cutting method. I know y'all probably looking at me like, what the fudge did you just do? My hair looks stupid as fuck now. Why did I do this shit? Oh my gosh, why did I do this shit? I should just fucking went on about my business. What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, I'm going a little bit too high. I wanna ride it, baby. I wanna ride. 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 What the fuck? This shit looks so fake now. This shit don't even look natural at all. Let's see it. It looks natural. Don't look natural no more. Okay, it looks better now that it's not sitting there in that box. Yo, that shit is short. Oh my gosh. Now I'm short haired like the rest of my homies. So y'all, let me tell y'all this story. So, long story short, I'm in the store and this shit right here fell out. The shit fell out. I don't like how it looks. She's gonna cuss me off for cutting it so off, but I don't like how blunt the ends look. I'll probably brush them out or something, but my hair, I'm over here doing the Running Man, that little dance everybody been doing. My shit falls out. My hair falls out. My shit fell out in the store. This is one of my thicker real locks. We about to do this crap. Yeah, it's not even, oh my gosh. I should just put it in a ponytail and cut it. I should just put it in a ponytail and cut it. It's not that bad, but it is. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I've seen this on TikTok, guys. So this is what I came up with. The overs and twisted without rubber bands, so it's free. I don't know. Oh my gosh, y'all, I fucked up. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna make it look good. I'm gonna make it look good. I gotta fix this up back here. So when I get back to the house, I'll finish it. All this just shows y'all I cut my locks crazy. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, y'all wasn't gonna tell me? I don't know what's wrong with me, but y'all know I do crazy stuff. This one is good over here. But this side, oh my gosh. Lord. Y'all, it's not that bad. I did a little shine to it. Like it. It's weird. It's weird. I'm so happy that it's not so long anymore. Oh, I was so sick of that shit. I was sick of that shit. Sick of that shit. I'm surprised it's even staying. I think it goes. The person who did this hairstyle on TikTok, bro, you're a goat. But she actually had this part up, but y'all seen how weird it was looking. I had to improvise. Let me pull this through. This needs to come through. I haven't even did a swim test for y'all. Y'all, I'm gonna do a swim test for y'all. Watch, my hair gonna be floating in the water. This is this side. Still shit sticking up. Irritating my damn soul. That's that side. And that's that side. This side is a little bit too wrapped. But that's the top. Yeah. Retwist, retwist, retwist. Fire. Why y'all let me do this shit? Fuck! My hair lady's gonna cuss me the fuck out. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm never going back in there.